What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over our friend SPX6900. We're not trading this one. We are just believing. But we are trading other coins. We're in 2 trades right now. If you want my trade signals for free, stick around to the end of the video. $1.46 up almost 8% on the day. It's been moving beautifully. Market cap 1.36 billion. 24-hour volume is about 74 million. So if we pop into the chart, we bounced from our wave 4 pullback zone. Now we're pushing up in our wave 5. So I have the larger wave 3 target, which is the circled 3 here, which is $1.83. It can overextend, but that is your target. We also have the resistance of these previous tops at about $1.70. So do watch that level. We have done enough to complete it, but I wouldn't be surprised to see SPX push to $1.83 and potentially even try to test $2. I do think that's a possibility depending on where BTC is going, but BTC does look like it's going to continue up from here, so SPX should follow suit. I love seeing SPX moving so strongly, so beautifully, as it's one of my largest investments. So we have our inverse head and shoulders. Your target is $1.54, and then once we break this resistance of $1.70, $1.75, we head into price discovery. We're looking for about $50 a coin or above on this cycle. Obviously a very bullish prediction, but with the amount of interest in SPX, I think it's very possible. So do look for this target next. We are currently in 2 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitonics, top link in the comment. That's it. There's no strings attached. Once you've done that, send me an email. I will send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX, my exact crypto trade setups. We're going to trade for Ethereum. We're going to trade for Gala, crypto news, what I'm holding, when I'm taking my profits. Also almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitonics. That's all that's required. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.